So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding how we can hide elements in CSS. So it is very easy, you just have to use the previous property I told you, the display property. First let's make all these divs in one line by adding div display inline. If I do this thing, so these boxes are coming in one line, but actually they are taking only that particular space which is needed to them. So you can see that. Similarly, if you want to make them in one line, you can also add this inline property in here as well, or in box one as well. Now you can see that box one is having inline property, but it is not taking up that because we haven't specified in here as well. So you can copy and paste the same thing in here. You can see that. So this is how you can add them in one line. But if you want to hide one box, let's say you want to hide this box one, so you can just write none here. So that will hide this box. Let me just remove this one. So now you can see the box one is hidden. Box one is not visible. And why is that? Because we have added this display none property. If I add this here, then the same thing will happen with box 2 as well. Now you can see that box 2 is not there. There is one more way to hide the elements. So these are box 1 and box 2. But if I just add visibility property here, so that will also hide the elements, but it will leave the space for that particular element. For example, box 1 is taking up this much height and this much width. So if I add a display none, so it will be completely removed, or this element is completely removed. The space which was covered by this element will be taken up by this box 2. But if I add visibility hidden, so this will hide this element for a temporary basis, for example, but it will not allow other elements to take up this space. So let me just hide this and save the page. Now you can see that this box 2 is not coming here because we have added visibility hidden here, not the display none. If I add display none, so this box will take up the space of the other one, which was removed or which was displayed as none. So we are now you can see this one is taking up the space of the previous box. So this is the basic difference between visibility and the display none property. If you want to remove an element for a temporary basis, you can use visibility hidden. That will leave out the space for that particular element in case you want to add them in future. But if you add display none, so it will completely remove that element. So the other elements will take up the space on which we have added this display none, or whatever the element we have hidden with this display none. So this is basically how to hide the elements with both these properties. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.